English to Hindi. Can you equals.
क्या आप सकते हैं?
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey friend, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun shortcut to real conversation. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll unlock the polite super question, can you? Which in Hindi is,
क्या आप सकते हैं?
picture a stubborn door that only opens when you ask nicely, door.
क्या आप सकते हैं?
And whoosh, it swings open. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll say this phrase confidently and use it in real situations. Ready to sound polite, clear, and charming? Target phrase, can you?
क्या आप सकते हैं?
Clap the rhythm. Kya, 1, app, 2, 3, sakte hain, 4. Think of it as your soft key that unlocks help anywhere. Forms and variants. Let's plug different tasks into the same frame. Keep the melody, just swap the action. Can you, to help.
क्या आप सकते हैं? मदद करना.
Can you, to open the door.
क्या आप सकते हैं? दरवाजा खोलना.
Can you, to speak slowly.
क्या आप सकते हैं? धीरे बोलना.
Negative for gentle pushback, can't you?
क्या आप नहीं सकते हैं?
Informal with friends, careful.
क्या तुम सकते हो?
Mini dialogues. Act it out with me, short, polite, and just a little funny. You, excuse me, can you help?
क्या आप सकते हैं? मदद करना.
Staff, of course.
जी, बिल्कुल.
You, can you open the door? It fears my gym membership.
क्या आप सकते हैं? दरवाजा खोलना.
Them, it respects politeness more than muscles. You, can you speak slowly? My brain is buffering.
क्या आप सकते हैं? धीरे बोलना.
Them.
जरूर, धीरे धीरे.
Quick quiz. Speed check, no pressure, just smiles. Q1. What's the polite way to ask, can you? In Hindi? A.
क्या आप सकते हैं?
Q2. True or false, this phrase is impolite. A. False. It's very polite thanks to.
आप.
Q3. Fill the blank for, can't you? Question mark quote.
क्या आप _ सकते हैं?
A.
नहीं.
Culture tip. Sound respectful and confident in one move. Using.
आप.
Shows respect, great for strangers, staff, and elders. Save.
तुम.
For close friends. When in doubt, start with.
क्या आप सकते हैं?
And you'll get extra smiles. 10-second challenge. Ready? Say each in Hindi after the beep, then I'll reveal the answer. 1. Can you help? Answer.
क्या आप सकते हैं? मदद करना.
2. Can you open the door? Answer.
क्या आप सकते हैं? दरवाजा खोलना.
3. Can you speak slowly? Answer.
क्या आप सकते हैं? धीरे बोलना.
Wrap up and thank you. You did great, polite, clear, and funny counts as fluent in our book. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, can you? Question mark quote.
क्या आप सकते हैं?
With different tasks each day. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, cheat sheets, and practice tracks at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and may every stubborn door open for your politeness.